In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. So in order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com and input right here your email address. So input right here the email address that you wish to use and proceed to sign up using this button. Now, if you already have an account, just click onto this login right here that we can see. Since I already have an account on Klaviyo, let me head over and just log in. Now, here is actually my dashboard. In order to add an unsubscribe link, you can just navigate their actual email template. I have in here this right there. So for example, just proceed right here to the content and choose in here the template that you wish to edit. So I have in here this, click on that, click onto this edit template. And then after that, this will open the template editor on your Klaviyo. So on default, on the actual footer right here, you will have the unsubscribe link already. Now, if you want to actually integrate a button that will enable that, you can head over and add in here the button option. And then onto the button itself, click onto this text and let's add in here unsubscribe. Now, input right here the link address. You can get it by clicking onto this actual text right here and editing the actual structure that we have for this particular part. Can head over to the display in here as well and onto the link head back and input right here the unsubscribe link address. You can also change the actual button style if you would want right here, as well as the drop shadows, padding, and also change how it will be displayed already. So just choosing here the options that you would want and just edit your template that you wish to use. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.